Alright guys, so like I say, at this point you've already done this stuff, but I'm going to go ahead and work through a couple examples for you anyway. So I've got 3 examples of definite integrals that we're going to be solving. Now remember, with the definite integrals we don't have to find we don't have to do the plus c, so you don't have to worry about that. Secondly, with the definite integrals, remember the whole idea of the integral is that we're finding the area between the curve and the x value. Alright? Or the x-axis. And so let's go ahead and let's work a couple of them. So we're going to take x squared plus 2. Now I've got the rules down here in the left-hand corner. If you can't see them, well, you've got them in your packet as well. These will be available to you at any time. So we take the integral of the x squared, which is this right here. And as many of you know, that means it's going to become x to the third. So this is my f of x, so it's going to be x to the third, and then we put the 1/3 in front, and then we go plus, and the integral of 2, that would be 2x to the 0, which means we're going to make it 2x, and all of this needs to be done evaluated from 1 to 3. And so we'll go 1/3 of 3 to the third power plus 2 times 3, and then we'll go minus 1/3 of 1 to the third power plus 2 times 1. And so from there we should be able to work it out. So 1/3 of 3 to the third is 27, which is 9. And then plus 6. And then we'll go minus. So 1/3 of 1 will be 1/3, and then plus 2. So in the end we've got 15 minus, so that would be 6 over 3, so minus 7 over 3. And so our final answer is 38 over 3, because 15 is 45 over 3. And so we just subtract and we get 38 over 3, which is the area from 1 to 3 of this function. Right? Not too bad, right? Let's go ahead and do a scary trig function. So, same thing, not so scary, right? Because we're just going to go from, I don't need to write that. So, the integral of sine of x is negative cosine of x. So, we'll go negative cosine of x. We're going to do it from 0 to pi over 3. And the way IB does it is like this. So, I wanted to show you again both ways. One way with just the line, one way the way that IB does it with the bracket. And so we're going to go negative cosine of pi over 3 minus negative cosine of 0. And so now I need to do each of those. Now, of course, pi over 3, the cosine would be 1 over 2, so that's negative 1/2. If you don't know how to get the negative cosine, well, then you probably want to take a little bit of time to figure that out. Just go back to the trig videos. There should be enough there that you can figure it out. So we got negative 1/2, and then minus the negative. The cosine of 0 is 1, and so we'll go minus the negative, which is plus 1, and so our final answer is 1/2. Okay, great. Even though it was trig, that's not so bad. Let's go ahead and do 1. We'll do the integral from 1 to 4 of 2x plus 3 over x. Alright, so integral of 2 to the x power, well, that's 2x to the first, so it's going to turn into an x squared, which means we put the 1/2 in the front, so it'll be 1/2 2x squared, and those are going to cancel out. Plus, and then 3 over x is, okay, well, that's 1 over x. It's 3 times 1 over x, right? And we know that the integral of 1 over x is the natural log of x, so plus 3 times the natural log of x. And of course, this is all going to be integrated from 1 to 4. So we're going to, so then we plug in the 4, so we go 4 squared plus 3 natural log of 4 minus 1 squared plus 3 natural log of 1. And we can simplify most of this. We'll have 16 plus 3 natural log of 4. Well, I can't really, okay, I can do the 1, but I can't, let's see, 3 natural log of 1 is 0. Natural log of 1 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. So minus 1, so the answer will be, oops, I pushed a button there a couple of times. So it'll be 15 plus 3 natural log of 4. So there we go. We did 3 definite integrals in less than 5 minutes. Hope that's helpful.